Creating online pledges and school visits in the last 7 days by the Department of Health today ended with an action plan launch in partnership with Agriculture and Livestock and Conservation and Environment Protection. Manager Pharmaceutical Services Vali Karo says getting the attention of the general public on the use of antibiotics will be their #1 priority. He says providing accurate information on antibiotic consumption to the general population is necessary, adding individual family members should also become advocates to proper use of antibiotics.
So I think that's something that we should take note of, and try and do our bit as individuals. That if a one-talk comes looking for antibiotic, we should tell them it will only be given on a written prescription by a doctor.
Bali stressed that people need to understand that antibiotics should only be prescribed by the doctor and should not be taken from elsewhere. He says many users are ignorant to taking prescriptions, and due to this, most times medication is overused, causing bacteria to become resistant to it, meaning treatments will not work. Vali alluded antibiotics should not be shared among family members.
As an individual, you make a pledge stating that you must use antibiotics wisely and not to misuse antibiotics. So the onus is on each individual, and then you can take it to the next level as an organization. What are you doing as an organization?
Seeking doctor's advice or from a health professional is always the way forward when taking antibiotics, and those needing antibiotics for domestic or commercial animals should always go to a qualified vet, and the same applies to farming crops.
And the Department of Agriculture and Livestock, they deal with obviously the livestock and also like sometimes aquaculture, so and they also use antibiotics as well.
Vali's advice when dealing with antibiotics: always handle with care, and when planning to buy antibiotics, think twice and seek advice first. Godwin Eki, National, EMTV News.